Once, in the quiet corners of the soul, there was a child who believed they must be perfect to be loved. So they sewed masks from good grades, applause, and quiet compliance. But the more they performed, the more lost they became, until the mirrors no longer knew their name. This is where our story begins. Welcome to the Self-Acceptance, Freedom Through Imperfection series, a sanctuary of soft rebellion against shame and a hymn to your innate worth. The subtitle is not a slogan. It is a revolution, the quiet revolution of being enough. Rooted in the Buddhist principle of radical acceptance, this series is not a roadmap. It's a remembering, a soul-stirring reawakening to the truth that healing begins, not when you fix yourself, but when you befriend yourself. Through 10 sacred reflections, we explore how to truly accept yourself, not as potential, but as presence. Why self-acceptance is so difficult, and how old wounds echo. What it means to accept yourself as you are, flaws and fire alike. How to overcome self-judgment, not by force, but by compassion. Letting go of external validation and returning to your own eyes. How perfectionism masks fear, and how to breathe without armor. Embracing flaws as sacred fingerprints of your becoming. Meeting your inner critic with mercy, not exile. Rebuilding your foundation with gentleness brick by brick. And finally, embracing the self you were before the world said, not enough. You don't become free by fixing yourself. You become free by being yourself. If you find value in the reflections addressed in the series, please hit the like button and subscribe. There's tons more to come. Go ahead. Start getting answers now.